I'm your personal AI.
What is a programming language?
A programming language is a formal language that specifies a set of instructions that can be used to produce various kinds of output. Programming languages are used in computer.
What is the time right now?
Sir, the time is 17 hours 58 minutes and 49 seconds.
Tell me some news.
Do you want to see news from any particular date?
Not really.
What is the type of news you want to see?
Cricket IPL. Open Google please.
Opening Google, sir.
Using artificial intelligence, please write an email. Play music.